ago. As we passed through small, quiet towns, crossed miles of burning desert sands, and fields of green and gold, I began to see and understand the wonders great and small that this world has to show in a way I never had before. A few thousand days ago, just a few thousand days ago, I had made up my mind. It was time to let familiar things fall behind. I was glad to be all alone in the middle of the wide unknown. It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long, caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan.